Sebastian, and this is for Mrs. Mann's class, and I'm reading The Duckling Gets a Cookie by Willems. I do not like the look of that title. The duckling gets a cookie. Hello, scootly scoot scoot. May I have a cookie, please? Oh, thanks. Flippy, flippy, flap. That was very nice of you. Oh, look at all those nuts. Hey, how did you get that cookie? I asked for it. You asked for it. Politely. Say, does that cookie have nuts in it? Yes. So you got a cookie with nuts just by asking politely? I ask for things all the time. I ask to drive the bus. I ask for hot dog parties. I'll ask for a French fry robot every now and then. I've asked for a walrus. Do I ask for candy? I did. It doesn't have to be a big bus, you know. Right now, I'm asking why. Why? Oh, there's more. Sometimes I asked for a hug. I asked to stay up late. Or I'll ask for one more story. I can't count the times I've asked for my own personal iceberg. Oh yeah, I'm the askingest pigeon in town. But do I get what I ask? No! Egg. It's not fair. Flippy, flap, flip. Duckling get everything. It's not fair. Pigeon like cookies too. Expels you with nuts. What? Why did you get that cookie? So I could give it to you. And another thing. About what? You're giving me that cookie with the nuts? That is so nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. Chomp. That is one cool duckling. Chomp. Yes, sir. Bye. May I have another cookie, please? But this time, no nuts. This book is The Duckling Gets a Cookie. And the duckling gets a cookie, and he comes up to him, and Pigeon comes up to him, and he yells at him, why did you get that cookie? And he asks for everything all the time. And he said, why did you get that cookie? And he says, so I can give it to you. And another thing! Humba, what? You're giving me that cookie? Yeah. Thank you very much. And then he said, that's one cool duckling. Crunch. Yes, sir. Crunch. And then, he said, can I have another cookie, please? But this time, no nuts. And then he got it. Bye.